Hello, good day. This is Mr. Gomez, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a topic using the adult ed courses. So, as you can see, I have already signed in. I am inside the course, so I'm going to take the short way. I'm going to click on my dashboard, and then I'm going to click on my class. And if you have been here before, I'm just letting you know you don't have to look at the video instructions. You can just watch this video for reference if you want to. This is all for reference here also. This is not part of the lesson. I hope you have already completed the pretest. If you haven't, please do that. Now, however, we are going to start on our lessons for this week. We're going to be looking at topic 1. There's an introduction video right here. You can play that anytime you want. And then when you're ready, you can click on the word topic 1, and that will take you into the topic. You can move down, and as you can see, once you click on topic 1, you can see the different activities. Now, the first thing I recommend you do is to look at and study the vocabulary. So if you look right here, here is the word forms group 1 and unit 1 vocabulary. So this is the vocabulary that you use in this topic. And there's some not definitions, but there's some word groups here. So the little abbreviations will tell you that the V is verb, the N means noun, the ADJ is adjective, ADV is adverb, and it will kind of give you some information on noun endings, adjective endings, and adverb endings. As you can see, there's about 3 pages of words here, and you can listen to the teacher speak and pronounce the word. So for example, I'm going to click on the word attract here.
Attract. Attract. To draw interest. Other forms: attraction, attractive, attractively. Bees are attracted to flowers.
So as you can see, the teacher will read the word and what is written here. So there's a definition and the different forms here. So I recommend you study this in the same way that you would study our vocabulary words in our regular classes. So you start in your binder. I hope that you still have your class binders. If not, then you can hopefully you have one somewhere. You can write down or copy the words, or you can translate it to the best that you can. And as you can see, there's 3 pages of vocabulary here. Okay, and I can navigate the pages right here. So as you can see, I can move through the different pages, and so the navigation is here at the bottom also. Now, to get back to the different parts of the lesson, as you can see, this is the topic right here. So here's topic 1, and it's like a directory. And so when I'm done, when I am done with the studying my vocabulary, I can go to the word forms group 1 practice. You might get a little pop-up message here, It's okay. This is okay. I'm going to click got it. So this is a Quizlet, and it's just here as a way to practice. So for example, I have extend, network, global, glamorous, and I can, look right here, and I can do a little bit of practice. I'm going to click extend, study this one. Okay, here we go. Prevent from being included or considered or accepted.
Prevent from being included or considered or accepted. Exclusion. Exclusive.
So this window kind of scrolls up and down, so you just kind of have to be careful. It's a little tricky. So I can move this up and down so I can read it. Prevent from being included, considered, or accepted. Oh, let's try exclude. Correct! Yay! Interconnected system of things or people. Let's try network. Alright. Give advice to. Advisable. Let me try. Nope. Wants me to study this one. So it'll go through the different words, and then when you're ready to move on, you can. So these are like flashcards. Okay. And then the next part, I'm going to go to why are you studying English? Now, I'm in the section why are you studying English, and what I would like you to do is just to choose one of these buttons, and I'm going to click save my choice, and then it's going to give me percentages, so you can see how many people in your class answered, and it looks like most people in the class are looking to get a better job or to be able to communicate better. So this one's really easy to do, and please complete that one. And then tell us about yourself. Okay, so this is called a forum, and in this one this is a way for you to share information. So for example, I'm going to give some information about myself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write a subject, and I'm going to call this subject about me. And you could do the same thing, and I can type I like to learn about the history of California. Okay, and then once you are done, you can, don't worry about this stuff here. We can just come to the bottom, you tap or click post to forum, and there you go. And so now I can read something about yourself. Now I'd like you to give some information about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? Where do you live now? What do you do? What do you do in your free time? Right? We have a lot of free time now. What do you like to do? Now the next part is there's grammar. There's the irregular verb exercise. And pretty much if you want to look at a verb list, I'm going to click on this. There's a verb list here, as you can see. So in case for some reason you don't have the one that I gave you, there's a verb list that is attached to this lesson. And I'm going to go back to the tab here. So notice a new tab is opened up. So I'm going to click here, and that will take me back. And once I'm ready, I'm going to attempt the quiz. And there's 12 questions. And I'm going to answer that. And then when I'm going to finish the attempt, maybe next time I'm going to submit and finish. I'm going to submit. There we go. Oh, I got them all incorrect. But once you're done with this quiz, you can click Finish Review, and that will take you back out and you can repeat this. Now the next part is there's a video and there's a reading. So this part is interview with a musician. So you can watch the video, and then once you're done watching the video, you can watch it as many times as you like. You're going to scroll down, and there's a button here that says vocabulary check. And so you're going to click on that, and you're going to answer questions about the video. Okay. I'm going to click continue. All right. So then these are your vocabulary words right here. And then I'm going to do a reading. This is about former Vice President Al Gore. This is a really short reading right here. And then you're going to click continue. And you're going to answer some questions here. Okay. Once again, these are all, some of these are in your vocabulary, some of these words. And then once you're done here, you're going to click word forms. And this is a quiz. Once again, these are going to quiz you on the words from the word forms group 1 and unit 1 vocabulary. Okay. And then once I'm done, I'm going to, and then I can check. Nope, I'm wrong. Let's try that again. Check. Aha, I got it correct. And so once I get it correct, I can move on to the next question. So I can use these arrows to move back and forth. You can ask for a hint. Oop, let's see. You would not take any advice. Check. Yay, it's correct. Okay. And then once you're finished, you can come over here, writing sentences with word forms. And this one is a little different. This is actually gives you a chance to, so you have to define advice and write a sentence. So this is why it helps to copy down the vocabulary in a piece of paper. And then once you're finished, you can click Finish Attempt, and it will give you your score. And I'm going to submit all and finish. And I'm going to finish review. Dictation on word forms. I'm going to click Start here. Now this one's really cool because I can click the play button.
Number 1. Parents expect their children to be obedient. Parents expect their children to be obedient. Parents expect their children to be obedient.
So this is dictation. So this is a listening exercise. So this is a really good opportunity for you to practice your listening. Okay. All right. So when you're finished typing your answer, you can click submit. Now when you're finished, there's a regular past tense verb quiz, and you can go ahead and finish that. Speaking, what did you do over the weekend? Sorry about that. Now this one's recording. Listen to the question, then click on the record button below. So I'm going to click.
What did you do over the weekend?
Okay. All right. So then I'm going to, so the next part I'm going to do sentence writing with the vocabulary. I'm going to attempt the quiz. So I'm going to write a sentence with the word advice. And then once you're finished, you can move on to the next one. So you're going to write sentences here with your vocabulary, and then I'm going to click next page, and then you're going to write sentences with the word, and then you're going to finish attempt. And then I'm going to submit all and finish. Here we go. And then once I have my scores, I'm going to finish review. And then you'll have your score. And at the end of this, you have the Unit 1 test. And I'm going to attempt the quiz now. And so this is going to be a quiz mostly on your vocabulary. So here I'm going to try to select the best use of the word. So for example, number 1, she accounting in her country for 1 year. So I'm going to go with studied, or is it studied? And so I have to watch the spelling also. So I know that this is the correct spelling. I'm going to click check. Yay, I got it correct. And once I'm done answering this, I can move to the next page. I can answer these and finish my attempt. And then I can submit and finish. And that is the end. Okay. So go ahead and please do as many of these as you can. I will be watching your progress. And if you have any questions, please, send me an email if you can. Okay. So I'm going to, once again, go to the bottom. All right. These are the answers. I'm going to finish my review. All right, and that will take me back out. And once again, if you ever get lost, you can always go to the dashboard, and that'll take you back out, and you can just click into the class again, and that will take you back to the topic, okay? So if you ever get lost. Okay, so that's how you complete one of these. So you will have until next Monday to complete this assignment before we move on to topic number 2. So once again, you'll have the weekend. You'll have today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and you'll have Saturday and Sunday to do your best to complete this. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope this was helpful. Once again, if you have any questions, please ask me on Remind or using the Remind app, or email me. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you very much.